3D Evergreen Tree Layered Ornament Gel Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you this very quick, easy design, and I know that it looks a lot more in-depth and difficult than it is, but trust me, it is very quick and very easy and definitely something you could do in a salon, which is always fun. A lot of my designs are not exactly salon appropriate, but this one could certainly be done in a quick salon setting, so I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well. Bye!
I'm going to begin on my ring and thumb with 2 coats of the color XOXO from Madam Glam, and this color is amazing. I've been searching for this color of gel polish for so long. It's kind of like a medium coverage foundation that you can build up because the first coat, is really light, and then the second coat gets a little more opaque, so on and so forth. So it's amazing if you want to do fringe tips. It would work for so many things. Then I took a little line of it's not you, it's me, and painted just a little string for my ornament coming down, capped it with a layer of matte gel top coat, and then cured it, and here we are going to start in with our little ornament. So with white paint, very, very thin lines, I just sketched a circle at the bottom of my little gold line for the basic shape of my ornament. And then with some black paint, I'm going to be painting my first tree off to one side. Doesn't matter which side, but just you don't want it right in the center. So paint your little tree right there. Nice quick little lines, perfect, just what you need. Then take some do a medium thick layer of clear builder gel. So apply that builder gel down and kind of pull it around so it fills in that white circle that you drew with the paint for your ornament. And just sort of fill it in, and then after you have it where you think it's enough, as you can see I added a little bit more, flip your finger over so it creates a nice dome shape, then cure it. After it's cured, take the color Lonely Boy, which is a really nice rich green, and I'm going to be painting a second tree. Cure that tree, and then with black, add a couple little outlines on the tree to make it stand out. Then after that paint is dried, cap this with another layer of the clear builder gel. Make sure that that's nice and covered all the way around. Flip your hand over, cure it, and then in the very center between the two, I'm going to be painting one more tree. So starting out with Lonely Boy, I painted the little tree a little shorter than the previous two, cure it, and then I'm going to take some white paint and add snow going across all the branches. And after that's done, you're going to be applying one more layer of clear builder gel. Obviously, if you don't want your ornament to be quite as 3D as mine, you won't do as many layers of the clear, or if you want it to have more of an actual perfect half circle dome, you would want to do more. So just keep that in mind as you're making it, that the more product you apply, the more domey it'll be. Then I put a little bit of white paint just on the bottom of my ornament to look like the snowy ground. On the middle and pinky nails, I'm going to begin with 2 coats of that color Lonely Boy, curing after each coat. This color isn't quite as pigmented as some of Madam Glam's as I'm accustomed to, but it definitely covers in 2 coats, so it's fine by me. And then with the color It's Not You, It's Me, I'm going to be adding a glitter gradient. I absolutely love this. Is my new favorite gold glitter in my collection. It isn't like a mixed chunky glitter, it's just a really fine, very just beautiful kind of a white gold color. So then sort of fade that down with a little sponge, and then I'm going to take, after that's cured, I'm going to take some white paint and add 3 lines down my nail. From the cuticle, the first one went almost all the way to the tip, and then I'm going to add a little starburst on the end of that line. So just add a little cross going across it, and then another X throughout that. And then add 2 lines to either side. On my index nail, I'm going to begin with a coat of 5th Avenue, which is actually kind of more like a, I don't know, it's not quite a pumpkin orange, but it's on that side of things. But adding that layer of that in the background made the color It's Not You, It's Me so rich looking. So it definitely adds a nice little element behind the glitter color. After that glitter is applied, I'm going to be taking the color Lonely Boy once again, and I'm going to be painting diagonal candy cane style stripes across my nail. So you're going to, I like to, in this circumstance, I like to make my stripes not all the exact same thickness. So take and do a thicker stripe and then a thinner stripe, and then, alternate between thicker and thin stripes. So here's the next one. And as I said, Lonely Boy does really require 2 coats. So after you have this first one done, you are going to want to cure it and then apply a second coat, which is what I will be doing right now, going back through and adding a second coat to all of my stripes. The second coat always goes so much faster than the first one. It's not like it takes you twice as long. It's just sticking a little bit more color where it needs it. And you already know where your stripes are. That's the hardest part, I think, is just spacing them out and making sure that they look perfect the first time. When you go through to do the second coat, it's like, I did this already. I got this. So after you have that coat applied, go ahead and cure that again. And then I'm going to be applying some gel top coat over my ornament. So I did that with just a little brush so that I didn't get it all over the place. So just apply some really shiny gel top coat over your ornament and over the string above the ornament to make that glitter pop. And then apply the gel top coat over all of the other nails, over the pinky, the middle, and the index nail. If you didn't want your index nail, like mine, with the 2 coats of gel polish for the stripes, it has a really lovely texture to it. And if you don't like texture on your nails, you may have wanted to do those stripes with paint or something a little thinner. But I love the texture, so it depends on your preference. So I'm going to take just a small little dab of some jewelry gel, and I'm going to be using that to attach some rhinestones on every nail but the index nail. So I have little rhinestones on the end of each of those white lines on the middle and the pinky and at the very top of my ornament. So I use some little crystal AB colors. So there's 3 on the pinky, and I use the same size across all of them. I just thought that was the best size for everything, so I figured I might as well stick with it. And then there's the little crystals on those. Just adds another little element of Christmassy glam. I hope you guys like this as much as I do. I absolutely love the glam element of this and the little 3D ornament. It looks so cool. It's kind of like a Christmas version of a water drop style nail. So thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!